Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Haseeb Ismail, a student of +2 at KHADERIA. I am excited to introduce a platform I've passionately initiated to promote discussions and share knowledge-based information for our youth. This initiative aims to help us all grow and succeed in our careers. This platform is designed to be a dynamic space where young minds can come together to exchange ideas, learn from each other, and build a supportive community. Whether you are a student, a young professional, or someone looking to expand your horizons, this platform offers a wealth of resources and opportunities. From interactive discussions and expert-led workshops to insightful articles and real-life success stories, we aim to provide you with the tools and inspiration you need to achieve your goals. Join us in this exciting journey of growth, learning, and success. I am deeply grateful to my teachers at KHADERIA for their invaluable guidance and support. Their dedication and commitment have profoundly impacted my learning journey. They have not only imparted knowledge, but also instilled in me a passion for continuous growth and curiosity. Their encouragement has been a cornerstone in my academic and personal development, and I am forever thankful for their unwavering support and mentorship. Special thanks to Ghani, Sajiad, Parwaz, whose expertise and mentorship have inspired me in this journey. Their unwavering support, insightful guidance, and invaluable advice have been instrumental in shaping my path. I am deeply grateful for their dedication and the time they have invested in helping me grow. Their encouragement and wisdom have made a significant impact on my personal and professional development. Thank you for being such incredible mentors and role models. I invite you all to be a part of this growing community. Please visit website https://aiworld.tiny.site, YouTube channel https www.youtube.com/aiworldh7. Join our WhatsApp group https chat.whatsapp.com dfm8 vdbs4scgw6 tqkz01s. Together, let's empower each other for a better future. Jazakallah.